Security is important for our peace of mind, whether it's ensuring your front door is locked at home or hiring security guards to protect your retail business or hotel. However, there are some premises which secure more than security than most. With this in mind, we have rounded up some of the most secure places in the world. So, if you want to know more about how they are protected, watch on. Rough Maynooth Hill Base, Great Britain. These planes are built in 1954 for catching signal during the Cold War. It is unknown what is going on there now, but this is the biggest storage of intelligence data in the world. Vatican Secret Archives, Vatican City. The headquarters of Roman Catholic churches includes archives housing some of the most sacred and rare documents in religious. An estimated 35,000 volumes of information are stored here, and it's so secretive that very few photos of the places exist. Information is passed down from pope to pope, and only research officer can enter the archives with special permission, which is granted very rarely. Global Seed Vault, Norway. On the island of Spitsbergen, 250 million seed samples are stored there. It was created so the people can restore any plant. The island is perfect places for storing seeds because there is practically no seismic activity and it is high above sea level. Woodland Car Park, UK. It may not be as fancy as the places listed above, but this UK car park is one of the most secure buildings around. Following a wave of crime and drug abuse, the car park was fitted with a range of high-tech security equipments. Each driver gets a unique barcode ticket that's synchronized with their driving space. There's a movement sensor under each car which goes off if it's moved without permissions, plus an impressive 190 surveillance cameras. Area 51, Nevada, USA. Most people are aware of this least one conspiracy theory surrounding Area 51, and it remains one of the most secure places on the earth. The military research facility is protected by motion sensor, a patrol of armed guards, and a no-fly zone through the entire site. So viewer, what about our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in our comment section. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Till then, bye bye.